Hi guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can add social media button on your Google site page. Either you can add it on the footer or you can add on the body or the header, wherever you want. So I'm going to show you how I can or you can add the social media button on the footer page of your Google site. So this is my Google site. You can see I have created this website with the help of Google site. You can see here the URL on the top, which is sites.google.com. So I'm going to log into the Google site here, and then after I will show you how you can directly add. So there are several websites I have created with the help of Google in the Google sites. So I'm going to select my PC Tips Pro page where I will show you to add the social media buttons. And guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates from our side. Now here, this is the interface of from the Google sites where I can edit, I can make changes in my website. Now I'm going to add the social media button on the footer side. So if I move the mouse to the footer side, you can see it's giving the option edit the footer. So I will click on this. Now at the right side you can see there are several options coming up. So I will scroll down and I will click on this button option. Now in the button it's asking me to enter the name. So first of all I'm going to enter the Facebook button, and to enter the Facebook button, let me go ahead and copy the Facebook link from the Google and will enter here. So in the name it should be the social media icon name, and in the link it should be the social media link where you want to redirect. So let's suppose I'm putting the Facebook button on the footer page, so the link should be also for the Facebook. Now after giving the name and the link, I will go ahead and click on this insert button, and this is, you can see the Facebook button came up, but it's coming up below the footer. So I'm going to drag and put it on the, now you can see it's coming up in the footer. Now in the same way, let's suppose if I'm going to insert the YouTube button, which is then I will just again click on this button option and give the name here YouTube, and we'll go ahead and copy the link of YouTube and we'll paste here, or you can type manually also, no need to copy paste. And I clicked on insert, then again you can see it's coming up below the footer icon. So I will drag this and put it here. Now you can see I have got two different icons here with the name of Facebook and YouTube. In the same way, you can add as many as social media icon you want to enter on your Google site page. So after doing this, I will just simply go ahead and click on this publish button. Now here it will show you the review, how it will show the web page when you will publish, when you will make the changes. So you can see here, okay, it's coming up survey here. So let me just complete this formality. Now here, so this is the previous page I had, and this is the updated page. So in the updated page I do have the Facebook and YouTube button, but in the previous page I don't have. At the left side you can see it's giving the complete information also, that what changes you have done in your Google site. So you can see it's updated the footer content, and that's what exactly I did. And now I will go ahead and click on this publish button. It's publishing now. Now I will go back to the my original page, and we'll go ahead and refresh this button to see whether the social media icon is coming up or not. Now here you can see the social media icon is coming up. If I go ahead and click on this Facebook, it will redirect to the Facebook here, as you can see. And let's suppose if I go ahead and click on this YouTube button, it will redirect to the YouTube button. So this is the way, guys, you can add the social media buttons on your on your Google site page. If you want to add on the body, you can also add on the body, or on the on the header. It's up to you, but the procedure will be the same. So thank you so much for watching the video. And guys, as I said, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and do the subscribe the channel. Thank you.